Namaskar, Dr. Susan here again, and today I am going to tell you about the precautions you need to take when you are on the mineral therapy of stabilized oxygen detox, that is SOD protocol 1, 2 or 3. Today I have got with me protocol 1 and protocol 3, which most commonly are used to control infections and detox our body. Most of the time, some of the patients, they get confused. So always remember, this is a mineral therapy in which chlorine dioxide is produced in a natural way, that is with the 4% stomach acid and 24% of salt, which is induced with oxygen. We call it sodium chloride. So this is a guru and this is a chela. What precaution you need to take? Remember, this is a broad spectrum antipathogen. That means it can kill all kinds of microbes, including the parasites of plasmodium, that is malaria, virus, fungus and all kinds of bacteria which can cause diseases are killed by this. And also it, with the oxidation method, it detox our body. Because it is a broad spectrum antipathogen, we never take any antibiotics, antifungals or any steroids with this medicine. If you are on SOD, antibiotics minus, please do not combine them together, because antibiotics kill indiscriminately. They will kill good bacteria as well as bad one. They can't do anything against the virus. And SOD cleanses all the damaged cells or the pathogens. So with your antibiotics killing your good bacteria, bad, sometimes it is hurting your good cells, this goes and cleanses it, cleanses everything, and this becomes too much for the patients. So do not mix up different therapies together. Always remember, I would like you to keep your health in your hand intelligently. I say it because this is one of the safest medicine I found, which can be used, and we treat it remotely. You just need to have this medicine with you, learn a little bit about yourself, and that's it. Keep your health in your hand, but always remember, never mix it with any kinds of antibiotics, antivirals, antifungals or steroids. Thank you.